Let's talk about the next counter, and this is Sankara Narayan, who's writing in from Shimla, and he's asking about whether or not to consider any names in the defense space that are either CPSU or private sector. Can you suggest two each for investment? I'm not certain about the rest of his portfolio, Vinit, but and I won't hold you to two names each. But what, according to you, looks attractive at these levels? Some of them have bounced back very sharply today and yesterday.
So, I'll go with HAL and BEL for the, CPSE portfolio. And for your private names, we like ZENTECH because, drones are becoming a key part of defense globally. And we also like Lokesh Machine Works, which is got a contract for, small arms. And the space addressable market is about 12 lakh each for the armed forces, reserves, and the state police force. So great market. Both companies are doing exceedingly well, and these are our recommendations.
Okay, fair point. And it is an active space. The next counter we're talking about is Interglobe Aviation. And if you pull up, I would request the year-to-date chart. I'm talking about 2024. We've got a viewer, Pranav, who's asking about what the prediction is about the price trend for this counter. It's up as much as 44% year-to-date, so done pretty well. Akshay, on the charts, does that momentum continue, and would you suggest a buy at these levels?
Yes, definitely. From the momentum view, it's more, if you look at short term, it's been kind of confined in a range. 4,000 is clearly one support which is emerging out if you're a short term to medium term trader. Time and again, good buying, good volumes picking up near 4,000 is suggestive of the fact that the trend is still strong. So from a longer term perspective, yes, 40% plus return done, but I still believe this can give you returns possibly till targets of 4,850 to 5,000. So if I were to project targets for you from a long term investing perspective, then 4,850, 5,000 is the targets you look forward to. If you're a short-term trader, then 4,600, that is the target you should work with. But definitely one of the stock you should be owning or buying at the current rates. As a risk management, 3,850 is the stop loss I would suggest for the targets I mentioned.
All right. We've got Muralidharan, who is tuning in from Seattle in the USA. I hope you are not sleepless where you are at. But the question that you have for us is on Websol Energy. And it was bought at levels of 418, and you've got as many as 2,200 shares. You're asking what the price trends are. Akshay, I'll come back to you on this one. What would you suggest? What is the kind of advice you would give to Muralidharan?
Yes, the short-term trend is a bit weak because it's been slightly in a profit booking mode right from 700 to 580 where it currently trades. But the sense is it might see a temporary recovery from the current trade. So if you're a short-term trader, 550, 525 is somewhere the stock is searching for a base, and possibly the probability is high that you will see a temporary recovery right after 650. So 650 is your trading upside if you're looking from short-term perspective. If you're a long-term investor in this stock, the trend is still strong. The broader support zone is 500. Until 500 holds, expect a recovery back again till 750, which is the all-time high levels for the stock. So hold on to your investing bet. If you want to enter, yes, it's a good level to enter. 500 long-term support, 550, 525 short-term support. But from the current levels, the probability works high for a recovery from the current zones.